jõud, tere tulemast Tartu Skate-halli. Ja meil tuleb täna Halloweeni pidu. Nii et tšeki videot ja ma ei tea, hüppab minema. Kuidas sa twerkimine käib?
She just wants more. I think you better call Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I think you better call Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I can't believe. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Louder. Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Who can you call? Would you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. This our town at Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the neighbor's gonna die of fright. It's our town, everybody's free. In this town of Halloween, I am home in your bed. Teeth grow sharp and eyes go red. I am the one hiding under your stairs. Feels like snakes and spiders in my hair. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this town we pumpkin song in this town. Don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Real bad corner man hiding in the trash can. Something's waiting at the concert. Halloween, this is Halloween. That's right. Aren't you scared? Well, that's just fine. Ride with the moon in the dead of night. Everybody scream, everybody scream. In our town of Halloween, glowing with a tearaway face, here in a flash and gone without a trace.
Jou, pidu on läbi, mõned veel sõidavad, enamik on ära läinud, keegi magama ei jäänud, täiega chill oli, koristamine käib ja ma lähen siit minema.